It's garbage day, and the garbage didn't get picked up, but 200 yards to my front gate, then a quarter-mile down the road is where I drop my garbage off. That's not really a problem. The problem is we got a bear that just loves our garbage. Let's talk about it. One of the things that we never thought about is having to deal with a bear out on our new homestead. And it's not just a bear, there are hundreds of bears out here, Florida black bears. And we've got a couple of cubs that are coming up here at night, and they just love Nancy's kimchi. And they come and get in the garbage, and they don't just get in the garbage, they take the whole can and haul it out in the woods. I have to go look for the garbage can and then clean up the garbage. So there's a problem existing here that I need to do something about. So what I want to do is I want to take this area right here and convert it to where I don't have open garbage sitting out in the open like this. I want to be able to enclose my cans in a wooden structure that is pretty heavily built, because bears are pretty strong. They can tear up stuff if they smell something, they want to eat it. They're pretty persistent. They'll tear into things. So I'm going to build it pretty heavy. I'm going to put the cans inside where I can bolt it down and lock it where they can't get their fingernails, their big old claws, and just rip things off and push on things and break it. I'm going to make it where it's pretty much bear proof. Florida black bears aren't real big bears anyway, so they're pretty strong anyway. So I'm going to get this set up. Hopefully it resolves our problem and we can go back to getting the job done around here, because I got a lot more to do than pick up garbage. Let's get started. Well, good morning. Yesterday we finished up on the garbage can platform, the little deck, so that I can set the garbage cans up on the deck, and it gives me a little bit easier access to the back of my golf cart. So when I load them off of that deck, I don't have to lift them up so high. I can kind of almost slide them right into the golf cart so I can take it down to the end of the road on my garbage day. So we got the deck set. Now, today I want to start building the structure, the enclosure itself around the cans, which we will mount onto the platform. So let's come over here and take a little quick look at the sketches, and let's get started. Here's the enclosure itself. We're going to have 4 sides to it. So I'm going to build each side just like I would, like a little shed or something. I'll build each side, the left side, right side, back, and the front. And this is the front, and a little list of material that goes with it right here. And I'll build these individually, each side. And at the end, after I get all the 4 sides prefabricated, then I'll assemble them together. I'll put the siding on it. I'll paint it. Then we'll take it over to the platform and we'll mount it up. So let's get this show on the road. Well, it's been a pretty long journey building this enclosure to keep the bears out of our garbage cans, but we finally got it done. Got the roof on, so I got the drip line of the roof coming down right on top of it, so I went ahead and added shingles, and I got it good and waterproof. I got the heavy duty rods here. I can open up the door, slide the can right out, put it right back in, slides right in. Nice and easy. I got double doors, so you can go do 2 cans. Pretty solid. Hopefully that'll take care of the bear problem. So we thank you for watching our little journey on how to build an enclosure for your garbage cans. This will work great for raccoons or any other kind of critters that keep getting in your garbage. And for us, we happen to have Florida black bears around here, which they're pretty good size. They probably, you know, they're pretty straight. They're not grizzly bears, but they're a bear, and they like to eat garbage. So we got this to take care of that problem. We hope it's resolved. So if it's not, I guess I'll go to electric fence after this. So Mr. Bear, the buffet has officially closed. So we thank you for watching. Till we see you next time, always remember, by His hands we are fed. Give us, Lord, our daily bread. Amen.
Have a blessed day. Thank you for watching our videos. We love making them. If you like our videos, we ask you to partner with us in our mission by sharing our videos from YouTube and post from Facebook to all social medias. It really inspires and encourages us. Some great places to share is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Please like if you like this video, subscribe, click the notification button so you never miss another video. Click below for products we used in the videos, and you could also partner with us without spending a penny. We welcome your encouraging comments, prayers, and questions. And thank you for watching and sharing our videos and posts. Have a blessed day.